What's up, guys? How is everybody doing? You know what, people continue to ask me, when do you think they're going to allow tourism back here in the Philippines? When are they going to allow tourism back here in Angeles City? You know what, I'm just going to walk and talk today, give you my thoughts on tourism here and what's going on. You know, it's like, who else is losing money here? You'd be surprised in this area. You know what? The government is losing money. Let me explain why. I am standing, well, Luda's with me. She decided to come for a little walk with me. I'm standing here at the Women Helping Women Center, Reproductive and Wellness Center. Now, this is a government established center here, correct, Lud?
Hygiene.
Huh? Hygiene. It's a hygiene. I'm gonna walk and talk. There's music across the street. It's hygiene. It's hygiene for the girls. When the girls work here, every week, they need to go to hygiene. They need to go in and they get a hygiene, I guess they get a certificate that they've been to hygiene for the week. And they won't allow the girl to return to the bar to work unless they have unless they have that hygiene paper. It costs 100 pesos every time they go in there. So you figure you got 1,500, maybe 2,000 girls working in this whole area, all in Angeles City, that need to get a hygiene. So that's every week that they got to pay for that. And that's a government-run building back there. So the government's making money on that. Not only that, but every year, the girls have to also, renew? They have to renew their, IDs?
License.
Their license. You gotta have a license to work as a girl in one of these bars. So, once a year, they gotta renew their license and stuff. And that costs, what, 1,500? Yeah. 1,500 pesos a year?
Yeah.
So every year comes around, they gotta renew. Along with their weekly hygiene. And like I said, that's a government-run building back there, so the government's making money on that. When they do their yearly renewal, they got to go to different. There's classes. What do they call them? Seminars and X-rays and all that other fun stuff that the government makes them do. Medical exam.
Medical something.
The government makes them do all that. Where does that road go?
I don't know.
And we'll walk down this road. But yeah, that's government run right there. So the government is losing money. If a girl first starts at a bar, they got to get licenses and IDs and all that, and that could run them what, 2,500 pesos, I think we were told.
Yeah.
Just to start. And girls come and go here all the time. So yeah, they are losing money. Here's the weird thing, guys. Tourism here. Let's face it, Angeles City is world famous for its red light district around the world. Guys come here from around the world to this place. It's a proven fact. The streets are empty, the bars are closed, everything is shut down. They do come. As you guys have seen in my videos, there's more to this city than just the red light district, and I've gone and I've proven it and shown it. What happens if they don't bring back the bars here? What will happen? It's funny because I was reading an article yesterday where they were saying they want to make Pampanga in this area they want to make it a tourist destination for food, like a food cuisine or food, like Pampanga is considered the food cuisine capital of the Philippines. You know, you got Kapampangan food and all that, but they're saying they want to make this area known and bring tourism from around the world for the food. Here's my thoughts on that. You got to ask yourself, where do you live in the world? All right. And what's available where you live? I know where I lived You had Chinese food, lots of Chinese restaurants. Hello, at the workers. Eat now, eat now. You had the worker, or back. You had. Where does this road go?
Over here.
Does it go out that way,
Yeah.
or does it dead end?
No, actually it's not.
We'll keep walking this way. I'm sure these guys are want to say hello to these workers. All right, workers. You get back. Wherever you live in the world, what is there to eat? Look around. Back in the States, you have a lot of Chinese restaurants. You have a lot of Japanese restaurants. You have a lot of Mexican restaurants. You have a lot of Italian restaurants. How many Filipino restaurants do you see? I know where we lived, there was none. There was none. There was one place we used to go to where I could get, like buying boxes, and it was a tiny little store, and they sold Filipino food in there, like they do here, in like little hot plates or little hot containers or food containers. Plus you could buy Filipino snacks and things like that, but you don't see it all over the place like you see Italian restaurants or Chinese or Japanese restaurants. So how are they going to draw people from around the world here for food? You know, and then in the article they were mentioning a couple places here. First of all, I've eaten at one place. It was up on Clark. I did a video there. Kappa Papangan's cuisine, finest food, come in and eat. I told Lit, I said, let's go check this out. So we went in, we checked it out, checked out the menu. First thing I wanted to order, got a Kappa Papangan special. Sorry, sir, out of stock. Okay, all right. Let's move to the second one. Sorry, sir, out of stock. Great. Found a third one. Once again, sorry, sir, out of stock. Wait, hang on. You're promoting your business, and it was a nice big place. Trust me, it was a nice restaurant. The decor, they even had people come out and dance. It was really, really nice. But how can you promote that if you don't even sell that? Makes no sense to me. Good luck, I guess. Good luck trying to use that angle. But are you going to have enough tourists coming here to fill all these hotels and all these, all these nice condos? Just on food alone. Good luck with that. Another one. Here's another one. I won't name the name of this restaurant, but they listed a couple of these places in this article, and I heard about this place, and people always said, "Oh yeah, you got to go there. You got to get this." I'm like, all right. So one day, we all decided, hey, let's stop and let's check this place out. So we stopped, went in. The place was dimly lit. And if you have a place, I feel if you have a place that's dimly lit, what are you trying to hide? I mean, I can see if it was a, let's walk down this way to the left. I don't think I ever walked this way.
Oh, that's it?
No, there's a road right there.
Oh.
Unless it's a restaurant and you got candle lights going and, it's romantic and something like that. That's different, but it wasn't like that. So we get in there. I ordered. Hey, kitty. I actually ordered for takeout, and so I'm sitting there, and something caught my eye out of the corner, or something moved out of the corner of my eye, and I caught it real quick. It was a rat. It was a rat. This rat ran across the floor, and I'm thinking to myself, this is a famous place, and they got rats. Come on. Got the food. Went home, took like 2 bites, and I'm like, no. And I even think you guys didn't even like it either. They didn't even like it. It's like I had better meals in Jollibee. And I don't like Jollibee. I've had better meals at McDonald's and Jollibee's in this famous place that everybody said to go eat at. I don't know. I really don't know. Good luck with that angle, I guess. I mean, if it works, great. These are nice back in here, huh?
Yeah, seems
They
like
seem
very
like
clean,
pretty
though.
nice. I'm by the Resident Inn and Villa. Yeah, I've never walked back in here.
It seems like there's too many nice apartments over there.
It's electric bike sneak up on you. I didn't even see it. Yeah, it does seem like there's some nice apartments back in here. Oh, place I've never walked. See, those are all apartments back in there.
There's apartments?
Sure they are. They're apartment. You know, they're, I think it's at Residency Inn and Villas. Could be apartments, I don't know. But guys, you look around now and you know, it is, let's face it. Here's a place for rent. Let's face it. Angeles City, this tourism area here depends solely on guys coming from around the world to the red light district. I mean, why do people go to tourist destinations? Why do they go down to Kawasing Falls? Because that's what draws them there. There's something that is drawing them to an area that they want to enjoy the activities and have fun. The Philippines is known for its beautiful islands. You know, the beautiful beaches, waterfalls, all that. It is not known for, I'll go straight here. It is not known for the food. Like I was saying earlier, how much Filipino food around the world do you see? How much do you see? Here you got sisig.
Huh?
You got sisig.
Oh, each place
Which is
has,
good.
Each place has different kind of
Yeah.
delicacy.
Yeah, each I can get it one place and I might not like it, but I get it
Like sisig.
two doors down the road and I might like it.
Like sisig was known because they found it over here,
Right,
and like Bicol Express is known because they found it in Bicol.
right,
Like
right. I never even knew these existed. Here's another massage place. Yeah, it's a nice back in here too. I think those are apartments back in there. You know, if they don't bring the red light district back up and running here, all this is going to shut down. All this here is going to shut down. You know, if you use the angle of food, all right, we're going to make it a food place to come. Well, that's all good and well, but what do you do until it's dinner time? There's no beach here. There's no beach here in Angeles City. Do you go hang out and swim and have a good time, and then at night go check out a meal and eat? Doesn't exist here. Just doesn't exist. But all these buildings that are going up, these condos and big buildings and everything, they're solely designed to bring people here to stay here overnight. Yes, up on Clark, you do have businesses that are moving in up there, but those are businesses coming in. Those people that are working there are coming here to live. They're not coming here as a tourist to partake in the bars and all that. They're coming here to live.
what is like There's like a D.
D? What is that? Hello. We've stayed here. That's closed.
Where, this one?
Yeah, that's what is it? Apollonia? Apollonia.
Yeah.
Yeah, we stayed there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You look around and all these small hotels that are usually full and running, they're empty. They're just empty. It's a sad reality. You know, why do people go to, what is it? What's in Thailand?
Phuket.
Phuket. Phuket's known around the world for its red light district. That's why they go there.
There's also like beach in Phuket.
But there's beaches there, right? Yeah, there's beaches there.
Temple. Temple of Thailand, also known as the nicest temple.
There's a recycler.
Thailand has more.
Me personally, I could care less if the bar's open or not. Doesn't bother me either way. Doesn't bother me. They can close, they can open. Doesn't bother me. Oh, then people have said, well, oh, you've gone to the bars. Does Lut know that you've gone to the bar? Oh, look, do you know I've gone to the bar?
Yeah.
Who have I gone with?
Friend. Me.
I go with Lut.
They just don't see me.
If I've gone to the bars here with Lut, or if I've gone into the bars, is with Lut. No big deal. See, here's this. That's empty. There's nobody in there. Face shields. They're selling face shields and they're playing music. So we gotta keep walking fast.
Faster.
We can't have that. We can't have that playing in the background, or YouTube will get angers at me.
Yeah.
But anyways. Anyways. Oh, I know what I wanted to tell you. One Euphoria, that big building that is being built right here, right there. Hang on, right there. One Euphoria, right there. That's being built by Central Park Tower. Friday, I have an appointment. We can walk this way, or just walk this way. I don't need to go that way.
Oh, I think we walked this way.
I've walked this way before. Friday, I have an appointment to meet up with the lady there, and we're going to get an exclusive in One Euphoria. It's another one. It's a big, huge building. You know, I really think if the red light district and Walking Street and all that whole area doesn't come back, all this here is going to go under. That's just my opinion. You can see it right now. It solely relies on it. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Me and Lut, we were walking around just to get out, walk around. Rocky's doing okay. He's doing great. Anyways, once again, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the sick, take care of the elderly, take care of the young. And you know what? If you have pets, take care of your pets. And
see you next time.